Hello, and welcome to our course on Decentralized Finance, or DeFi. I'm Nathan, and I'll be guiding you on this course. I have over 4 years of experience working with DeFi and blockchain technology, and I now run Blockwise, assisting financial services businesses in adopting blockchain technology and providing education and consultancy. Throughout this time, I've seen firsthand how DeFi is transforming the way that we think about and interact with financial systems, and I hope to impart this understanding to you by the end of this course. This course is designed for financial professionals interested in understanding and leveraging DeFi, whether you're a complete beginner or have some prior knowledge of blockchain. If you're an investor, a financial advisor, banking professional, or simply a curious learner wanting to stay ahead in the evolving financial landscape, this course is for you. You don't need to be a blockchain expert to take this course, however, a basic understanding of finance and investing will be helpful. We'll start with the fundamentals and gradually build up to the more advanced topics, ensuring you have a solid foundation before diving into the more complex stuff. By the end of this course, you'll be able to understand DeFi fundamentals and grasp the core principles and how DeFi differs from traditional finance. You'll be able to confidently use DeFi platforms to execute transactions and engage with various DeFi applications. You'll also be able to identify and mitigate risks associated with DeFi investments and activities, and you'll be able to recognize opportunities for integrating DeFi into traditional financial systems and predict the future trends in the industry. The course is structured into 7 comprehensive sections. We'll start with the basics, defining DeFi and its core principles in the introduction to DeFi. We'll then move to the foundations of DeFi, where you'll learn about the building blocks, including blockchains, tokens, smart contracts, and dApps. We'll then look at different DeFi financial instruments. So we'll cover key applications like lending, borrowing, decentralized exchanges, and yield farming. In the 4th chapter, we'll look at risks and compliance. So you'll understand the different risks in DeFi and learn how to manage them and ensure compliance. In Chapter 5, we're going to be doing some practical exercises and simulations with hands-on activities to be able to apply your knowledge in different real-world scenarios. Then to wrap us up in Chapter 6, we're going to look at integrating DeFi with traditional finance and explore the synergy between DeFi and TradFi with different case studies and looking at future trends in the industry. Chapter 7 is just a wrap up and summary with a conclusion, and then looking at different next steps that you can take to advance your DeFi journey further. Throughout the course, we use a mix of lectures, real-world examples, practical exercises, and case studies to ensure that you not only understand the concepts, but also know how to apply them. Your journey into the world of DeFi starts here. Let's get started.